Hello my friends, today we are doing the easiest New Year makeup look. This look gonna be so easy, so quick and friendly for beginners. Let's start! I wash my face, I put my favorite moisturizer, you should do too. And now we're gonna do a makeup. Before makeup, I want you to look at my skin. I have discoloration, pigmentation, I have a little pimple here. It's okay, it's no problem. I'm gonna look fabulous in few minutes and you too. First step, which one I'm gonna do, it's eyebrows. Do your brows first. It's gonna frame your face. Do not put tinted moisturizer or foundation. First, eyebrows, my friends. I'm gonna use Anastasia Beverly Hills eyebrow freeze. It's I will name it's like a glue for your brow. And if you see how I apply this way. One more time, this is your Anastasia Beverly Hills brow freeze. After like few seconds, you will push your brows up how you like, and you can put your hair or your brow how you like. But I want my brows a little bit more lifted. I want my brows looks a little bit, I will say, slightly sharp. Eyebrows make a big difference. You will need to let this dry because then we're gonna use eyebrow pencil, my friends. One more time. I apply an eyebrow gel this way. I let my eyebrow gel dry and now I have a small tiny pencil from brand Melt Cosmetic. This is its dark brown color and I'm just gonna feel where I need to feel my brows, where I see a little holes, because eyebrows make a big difference, my friends. Look at one eyebrow and look at another brow. It's a big difference, right? Eyebrows, it's done. Second product, this is eyeshadow primer or eyeshadow from brand MAC. Color Painterly. It's a very neutral color and I apply it on entire my eyelid. I do have pigmentation on my eyelid. I want to cover this, but most important, if you want your eyeshadow stay all day, not run, not crease, use this primer. And it's come in different colors, but my color is Painterly and I feel most of you will use this color too. That's it. For my eyeshadow palette, I choose brand MAC Embedded Burgundy. I love this color combination. I like Story. It's like, I will say, a brown rosy color. It's more like a neutral cool colors. We have here deeper color, we have a middle color, and we have a beautiful satin colors. It's very reasonable price. Again, I like this palette a lot. You can't go wrong. You like brown? We have a brown. You want cool undertone? We have cool undertone. You have a satin finish eyeshadow? We have here. This is such a cute palette, my friends. First, let's create a middle color. It's a big blending brush from brand Chanel and we using with you matte color. Then I push in this color kind of inside of my brush. I warm in color, and if I have extra color, I kind of remove it from brush. Then if you new, you're beginner, one more time, take 1, 2, tap. And now this is, I'm gonna look it straight. I'm feeling my bone and I'm pushing this color a little bit up, just like this. This color is very soft, very neutral. Or I will name this is, it's like a socket area, and push this color up. first color it's done. Now I'm gonna use same brush and we're gonna use the darker color in this palette. And again, it's a matte color. I'm pushing just product inside of my brush and I apply right here in the corner of my eyes, and I pushing this color little bit up. It's okay if it's not looks perfect. We're gonna blend, don't worry, my friends. We have with you two colors, and I know they don't look even 100%. You need another clean blending brush, and all what you need to do, just little bit softly blend, and when you blending, you pushing these two colors little bit up. Now I have a small tiny brush and we're gonna use a darker color, and I'm gonna apply this color really softly, very little underneath, and I apply really close to my lashes. I want my eye look a little bit more bigger, more open, and I apply halfway. I don't go in the corner of my eye, just halfway, my friends. Next, my step, I have small tiny blending brush from brand North, and I'm gonna little bit soft underneath. I think we need to give little bit contrast for my eyes and of course sparkles too. We have here very beautiful matte color, burgundy matte color eyeshadow, and I'm using my small tiny North brush and I'm gonna apply next to this dark brown color, kind of in the corner. I'm gonna connect these two colors together. Now I'm gonna use the lighter color and I'm gonna apply it in the corner of my eyes right here. It's a very soft satin finish color, and I'm gonna apply a few more times to build like this extra pop. And also I'm gonna use this color under my brow bone. Not all the way, just in the center. I'm highlighting my brow bone for extra lift. Now it's time for sparkles, my friends. This is my favorite preferred eyeshadow, sparkly eyeshadow from Bobbi Brown Moonstone. If I have this for 1 year, you're gonna have for 10. It's so sparkly. And I apply in the center of my eyelid and I put in this color a little bit up. Look at this sparkles, my friends. This is the best sparkles I ever owned. Also, you can put on your finger and put on your body. It always looks so hot. Again, you can see all what I do, just apply in the center of my eyelid and I pushing this eyeshadow a little bit up. And trust me, you can use the sparkles if you go to Publix or red carpet event. You can't go wrong. Now, finally, it's time for cleanup. I'm using my eye makeup remover from Clinique, Chanel cotton pads, and now I'm gonna clean just like this. And you can see it's eyeshadow falling here. And this is why I like to do my eyes first. I don't worry about it's gonna mess my concealer or foundation. Do your eyes first, then we're gonna put a little bit mascaras and false lashes too, and then I'm gonna show you how to make your skin not just beautiful, perfect, my friends. Now I apply mascara from brand Tarte, and it's a tubing mascara. It's a good separation and nice beautiful lint. Also I'm gonna put mascara underneath, and then I'm gonna show you my favorite lashes, my friends. And if you don't like false lashes like I am, this one, trust me, you're gonna not just like, you're gonna love. Time for lashes, and this is my favorite. Love Yourself lashes. They are individual, it's 30 pair here, they I believe $12 or $15. I will put my link below. And you do not apply them on top, you go underneath, just like this. So easy and quick. Wow, it's not even 6 o'clock, but it's already pretty dark outside. Let's put a little bit concealer. I apply concealer from brand Tarte, and when I use this concealer, I don't use any eye cream, because this concealer is really creamy and rich, and I like to apply this concealer under my eyes, and I love to let this sit concealer 1, 2, 3 or even 5 minutes, my friends. What it does, concealer getting settles, concealer kind of little bit pre-dry, but this concealer it's not dry at all. It just when I apply an eye cream and then concealer, it's kind of I feel it's more creasing under my eyes, and I try hundreds, not hundreds, but a lot of powder under my eyes, and they always don't look right, or color not right, or they don't sit right, or it's really dry. And then for my foundation today, it's winter, I'm gonna use MAC foundation, and this is its Radiance Glowing Medium Coverage Foundation. I like this foundation a lot, and I have my wet beauty blender. I like to apply foundation on my hand and then on my beauty blender. And let's make my skin looks glowing, beautiful. I don't want to see this discoloration, pigmentation or pimples. I want my skin look flawless, my friends. And yes, if you are normal to dry, or if you are dry, you gonna love this foundation. If you oily, go with Double Wear, my friends. Double Wear, it's my #1 foundation, but right now it's winter and my skin feels a little bit dry. This is why I'm using this foundation today. Let's blend a little bit my concealer. I push this concealer kind of down, and then I am going up. Let me know in the comments below, do you like this foundation me or not? And my color is 13 and W. Now let's put a little bit bronze. Today I'm gonna use cream bronze from Natasha Denona. It's very thick bronze, but I like this bronze a lot. I put on my hand. I have synthetic brush from brand Spectrum. By the way, brushes Spectrum, it's so inexpensive and they are really good. I'm gonna apply this bronze very close to my hairline, and when I apply this bronze, you can see I pushing up. Then I'm gonna go a little bit right here underneath, and one more time I pushing up. I wanna do too much bronze because I'm looking for a sexy, beautiful, gorgeous look. I don't wanna look like I am too made in. Even it's already with these lashes, my eyes, it's really pop. And of course, let's put bronze a little bit underneath. And in the corner of my nose, very softly. It's not like I put in too much, very little, my friends. Let's use a blush. Cream blush gonna give you a beautiful holiday flush. This is from brand Ram. I love this blush a lot. Its name Addiction. I will say it's a rosy peachy color. I'm gonna apply it on the bottom of my cheek, and I push in this color little bit up. Again, it's not in the center, it's just kind of on the side, and I push in this color up. Look at how pretty this blush. Also, I like to put blush little bit, kind of in the center of my nose, but really softly, my friends. Okay, my blush is done. Let's do a little bit highlighter powder, and then we're gonna do my lips. Highlighter I'm using from brand Sachet, and I love this highlighter a lot, and I apply it kind of on the bone of my cheek or above and higher point of my face. It's a beautiful, light, gorgeous highlighter. Look at this glow. Ampoulous powder, my favorite, it's Sicily. I know it's expensive, but it's so good. I apply it on a big brush, and I kind of pushing this product inside of my brush. I'm not gonna apply on the entire my face because this is kind of soft matte powder, but I like to apply right here underneath. I like to apply right here on the center. I don't like to be shiny right there. Then I don't like to be shiny right here, and I almost don't have nothing on my brush right now. I'm just press. Time to put a lip color, and I decide I want to go with little softer lip color, not red, for one or two reasons. My eyes already have enough colors, they're sparkly, they flirty, they have enough pop, and if I'm gonna go with red lip color, it is gonna look pretty on stage, but for, I'll say, little evening event, it's gonna be too much and it's gonna little bit age me. I'm gonna use a lipstick from Christian Dior number 226 Darling Blush. I love this formula. It's a new formula from Dior. It's my favorite lip formula of 2025. For my lip liner, I'm gonna use Intense Cafe lip liner from Clinique, and of course we're gonna add extra sparkles, and I'm gonna use sparkly lip gloss from Anastasia Beverly Hills Amber Sparkle. Let's finish this look. This is just lip liner, and look at how beautiful this color, my friends. Also, I love this lip color a lot. It's a Darling Blush. It's not too light, but it's not too dark too. Let's add little bit lip gloss, Amber Sparkles. Ooh, I like this color a lot. Look at these sparkles, my friends. It's super easy New Year glam, and it's perfect for beginner. Love you more than ice cream. Subscribe, comments below, and I will see you soon in my next video. And if you want me to create some easy makeup look like this, let me know, comments below.